Cei Connah yn i gyd Caernarfon yn melyn a gwyrdd a dechrau'n sydyn iawn a gyfle rwan i Jordan Davies mewn y cwrt Cosby yn thyrru nôl tuag at Franklin cael ei mogli mewn gic o'r smoten o fewn 15 eiliad a'r dyfarnwr James Walker wedi nodi hwnna yn drosodd ar Franklin. Davies a mae Lewis Webb wedi arbed y gic o'r smoten, so ddim yn gic ora. Webb yn mynd y ffordd cywir. Bradley a'r gic rydd tuag at y postyn pella. O, mae dit ar y postyn. Griff John ar cyfle ar y postyn pella. Doni o'r groesiad ddim. Oedd ffigur fyny gan Darn Thomas. Thomas ar groesiad tuag at Davies ar y postyn pella. O, arbediad o didog gan Firth yn isel i'w dde. Mae Caernarfon yn meddwl bod wedi croesi'r llinell. Ond mae hwnna yn arbediad o'r safon ucha gan Andy Firth. Ymlaen, pas wych i lwybr Griff John gan Donoghue. Groesiad tuag at Louis Lloyd ar y fole! Ac o'r diwedd, mae wedi roed y cofis ar y blaen. Yn iddiannol yma ar yr ofal heno, 7th gôl o'r tymor i'r asgellwr. Bradley, cyfnod dda gyda Donoghue nôl allan i Bradley lawr y chwith. Iswng di feid Declan Poole, mae o i bei Poole. Bradley dal ar meddiant. Ffynnu nôl i Donoghue. Adam Davies yn disgwyl am y groesiad tuag at y fo, mae'n dod arbeniad i Dalken. Mark Williams sy'n dyblu mantais y cofis. Chwip o groesiad gan Donoghue. Mae'n dod ddrwg i waith i dîm Neil Gibson. Holcomb, mae Declan Poole a Jordan Davies yn y cwrt Cosby. Groesiad tremedig, Harrington ar y foli, arbediad o didog gan Lewis Webb. Williams chodi fyny tuag at Hogan. Mae'n disgyn yr i Franklin efalla. Ffrangos y gic o'r smotin, oes ma' yna. Sy'n talu Cei Connah frysio, rwyd hanner munud sy'n weddill. Davies yn erbyn Lewis Webb, a Toma mae'n darganfod cefn yr hwyd am ei 9fed gôl o'r tymor. Rich, am ganlyniad yno, perfformiad gorau'r tymor?
Yndi, mae Epther. Mae nhw'n ail o dipyn o bwyntiau allu, a dwi'n meddwl bod ni wedi totally dominatio'r gêm na o dechrau diwedd o fanna. Y chances da ni wedi gael os ni wedi bod, dwi'n meddwl, at least 3 fyny half-time o'n i'n teimlo. A dyna oedd yr unig beth oedd ni'n pryderus am ydy bod yr holl chances na mynd i fynd i wast. Ond na, chwarae teg rogia, ma'n heiddi'r clod i gyd, dod allan sy'n cynnaf a roed yn un perfformiad eto ag heiddi'r win o'n i mo.
Gibo, disappointing tonight. Do you feel Caernarfon deserved that victory?
Yeah, I do. Thought Caernarfon were excellent tonight. It's not something that, you know, look, could we be better? Yes, absolutely. Could we look at where we can improve and what we should be better at? And was that the best version of Connah's Nomads Football Club? No. But credit where it's due. I thought, you know, Caernarfon deserved the victory, if I'm honest. I thought if we'd have got something out of the game in terms of winning it, I thought it'd probably been slightly unfair. However, big moments in matches, and you know, the whole stadium after 25 seconds sort of like went down, deflated, and then obviously when they saved the penalty, it lifted the whole stadium and the team. So Jordan doesn't obviously mean to miss that, and you know it happens in football. But great credit for him taking the penalty again at the end. But I thought it was obviously a pivotal moment in the game. Lewis, fantastic performance by Caernarfon Town tonight.
Absolutely, I think that's the best I've seen the boys all season. For each and every one of them dug in deep, hard, all the way to the end, the final whistle. Frustrating not to get the clean sheet so close, but it would have been nice to get another pen save. But it's 3 points and it's another step closer to the top 3 in it, so can't complain.
Yeah, talking about penalties, you know, a crucial save within the first minute of the game changer?
I'd like to say not, because the boys were really good. But obviously it's a big moment, isn't it? But I knew he was going to go left. Kev does our research for me, so I stuck to my guns with what he does for me, and thankfully it paid off. I said to myself at half-time, if I had another one, I'd go left again. And unfortunately, he reversed it and he scored. But it is what it is, 3 points, isn't it? So.